Hey! In front of me is Oppo A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android. Start by opening Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose Allow. Then click Home button. Over here you need to select Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on App Management. Then go into Default App, choose Home Screen and tap on iOS Launcher. Then choose Change Home Screen over here, and as you can see, after clicking Got it, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my smartphone. You can always switch between them by going into the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!